Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Factor affecting recruiting efforts that we have discussed in a previous class. Internal organization policies and government influence. Internal organization policy we have studied could be promotion, responsiveness to employee needs. People prefer job with organization where they feel secure, enjoy freedom, and great deal of respect. Government influence, equal employment opportunity in other policy. Every organization has to obey the state law when deciding to hire a new employee or fire older one. Recruiting source that we will so a recruitment or recruiting source where to get the potential job candidate from. If you remember in the definition of recruitment, I have defined that recruitment is the process of finding and attracting capable applicant for the job to create a pool from which selection is made of most suitable candidates. Then we have discussed the purpose and importance of recruiting, where to get potential job candidate from. So purpose and importance we have discussed that to broad base the applicant pool in order to get the right talent in affordable cost. Increase the pool of job candidate at minimum cost. Help increase success rate of selection process by reducing number of underqualified or overqualified application. Meet legal and social obligation. Identify and prepare potential job applicants. So the factor which are affecting recruiting, there are many factors. Internal factor and external factor. Internal factor is a recruitment policy, internal hiring or external hiring. Number 2, human resource planning, planning of resource required. So recruiting source in internal search, the internal database of the company, employee referral and recommendation. From outside the organizations, so we can attract the potential job candidate through job advertisement in the newspaper, company website, friends, internet, colleagues, and so on. External factor is demand and supply, status of the specific skill set, unemployment rate area, labor market condition, political and legal environment, reservation labor law, and company image. So factor one affect the organization is internal factors and external. In internal recruitment policy, hiring or external hiring, human resource planning, planning of the resource required, size of the organization bigger than the size, less than the recruitment problem. And external we have this company image, political and legal environment, labor market condition, unemployment rate, and demand and supply. So this is the recruiting source that we will discuss. The internal recruitment from inside the organizations. The development of function enable an organization to have right number of people when they are needed. Job positions are advertised through inter-office, memo, internal communication, and the company notice board. Some organizations maintain a human resource information system or HRIS. So inside the organization, the recruitment process is that we should job position are advertised through memo, through internal boards or notice board. In some organization, may they maintain HRIS, human resource information system. They are linked with all the departments. When new positions are announced internally, so they share with each others. No need for other things. So they have HRIS. While some organizations, so in government, may have the HRIS while they using the memo office or notice board. So developing countries, they are use HRIS, human resource information system. It's very easy. No need for the notice board. No need for the memo and internal. So everyone they have HRIS. When new position are created, or promotion and demotion, so all the employees they can check HRIS. So this is the external recruitment from outside the organization, attracting potential job candidate through job advertisement in newspaper, company website, and the internet. And the same external source of recruitment: advertisement, newspaper, company website, internet, school, college, university, professional organization, in HR service like Akbar in Afghanistan. In previous class even we have discussed while there was no slide. So this is the same lectures. Only we will discuss here today the advantage and disadvantage of internal and external recruitment. Advantage of internal recruitments. So that what will be the merit of internal recruitment? Job relevant information on the candidate performance. 2. Candidate is aware of the organization, culture, policy, and procedure. Training in socialization, time reduce. Motivation for other employee. Tend to be more loyal, faster and less expensive. Maximize job security. Disadvantage of internal recruitments: internal supply of qualified candidate limited, ripple effect, several promotion required. Internal recruitment procedure may be bureaucratic. No fresh blood, lack of new idea, creativity, affirmative actions. Goal difficult to meet by promoting from within. So this was the disadvantage of internal recruitments. Now, advantage of external recruitments. If we internally hire the employee, what will be the advantage? New idea and viewpoints possible to meet affirmative action goal. The demand of rapid organization growth can be met only with external recruit. May have in training cost by having more current training. Shake-up may be needed in the organization. Disadvantage of external recruiting. External recruiting can be expensive, takes longer to identify and hire candidates. External candidate or of unknown qualities can be discouraging to current employee. So this is the disadvantage of external recruitments. So there are lots of other factors, advantage and disadvantage of the external and internal recruitments. Disadvantage can be better moral motivation. It is costly method. Chances of creeping in false positive and false negative errors. Adjustment of the new employee take longer time. So this is the another disadvantage of external recruitments. Advantages may be the more benefit of new skill talented, benefit of new experience, compliance with the reservation policy become easy, scope of